Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to install Nextcloud 18 on CentOS or Red Hat Linux. Nextcloud is an open source self-hosting syncing and file sharing server which is cloned from OwnCloud. It is written in PHP and JavaScript, and it also has the support for MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite and Oracle database. The Nextcloud provides the client applications for Windows, Linux, macOS, Android and iOS, which are used to sync files between your desktop and your Nextcloud file server. So now we can see the installation of Nextcloud 18 on CentOS or Red Hat Linux. For installing the Nextcloud, you need to have the LAMP stack installed in your system. If you have not installed it, you can install the LAMP stack first. I will provide the link in the description for installing the LAMP stack. After installing the LAMP stack, we can first install the dependency packages that are needed for installing Nextcloud. These are the dependency packages. Now the dependency packages are installed. Next we can create database for installing Nextcloud. So we can log in into MySQL now. First I'm going to create a database using the create database command. Now the database is created. Next I'm going to create a database user with the password, and next I'm going to grant privilege for the database user. Next plus privileges and exit. Next we can download the Nextcloud installation package. Now the package is getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the package is downloaded. Now we can extract the package using the unzip command. Unzip the latest 18.zip. Now the package is extracted. Next we can move this Nextcloud directory to var www html. Now we can change the ownership for the var www html Nextcloud directory using the change own command. Next I'm going to create the virtual host configuration for accessing the Nextcloud. Can create the configuration file in /etc httpd-conf.t directory, and now we can copy this virtual host configuration, and I'm going to use the server name as next.cloud.com. The document root is var www html Nextcloud. Now save this file and exit. Now I'm going to add the host entry in /etc host file. Now save this file and exit. Now we can check the Apache configuration. I have restarted the Apache web service now. Now we can open the web browser and access the Nextcloud. The server name we added is next.cloud.com. We can enter this. Now we need to create the admin account for Nextcloud, and this configure the database. You need to select the MySQL or MariaDB and enter the database username. Next enter the database username password and the database name. Now give finish setup. Now the apps are getting installed. This will take some time. Now the apps are installed. Now you can see the Nextcloud homepage. Here you can see the calendar option, contacts, email. You need to configure your email to use this email option. You can see your activities in this activities tab, and to view the files and photos you can use these options. In this video we saw how to install Nextcloud 18 on CentOS or Red Hat Linux. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries you can reach me on this Skype ID.